What's going on, everyone? Sovereign Jared Kwan. Today we are doing some Magnificent Mavens display opening. As for the sleeves, I did get one of just about each. I'm only missing one. I don't know which one it is. I don't really know what the difference is. I'm not a big thing on this type of sleeves from Konami, but maybe at some point I will keep these and possibly do a giveaway at some point if I can afford to. So let's get started. See what we got today. Impermanence, Agito, Princess, Nightmare Phoenix, and Sky Striker Engage. Let's see, Skill Drain, Gravekeeper's Trap, Non-Fusion Area, Gasha Dokuro, the Skeletal Mayakashi, and Dragon Maid Changeover. Oops, sorry about knocking the camera. Let's see, Triple Tactics Talent. Let's see, the new card Surgical Striker Hamp, Draco Beck the Rideable Dragon, Mayakashi Return, and Vampire's Curse. Let's see. Good. I've been wanting a copy of this again. Blacklist Soldier, Soldier of Chaos, Exchange of Despair and Hope, Bururu at Ignister, Instant Fusion, and Elder Entity Intis. Alright. Box 2. Sword Soul Moye, Surgical Striker Hamp, Dark Calling, Sword Soul Sacred Summit. Ooh, a G-Golem token. That's nice. I like tokens. What's your favorite token? Let me know down in the comments. Let's see. Evenly Matched, Agito, Therion Duke Yule, Mayakashi Return, and Vampire's Curse again. Alright. Let's see. Ooh, number 93, Utopia Kaiser, Witchcrafter, Confusion Confession, Beautiful Princess, Exchange of the Spirit, and Nightmare Phoenix. Let's see. Sword Soul Grandmaster Chijiao, Ghost Meets Girl, Non-Fusion Area, A Hero Lives, and Witchcrafter Genny. Or Jenny, I'm not quite sure. I would assume Genny. Boral Sword Dragon, Yuka Onna, Doom Dozer, Scapegoat, Exchange of the Spirit. Okay. Infinite Impermanence, Sky Striker, Ace Zeke, Dark Calling, Nightmare Cerberus, and Witchcrafter Creation. Pendulum Call, Mudora, Therion Duke Yule, Daka the Graceful Mayakashi, and Sword Soul Sinister Sovereign Kijing Longyuan. Alright, last pack of box 3. Lightning Storm, first one I pulled that, Kildo, Beautiful, Sword Soul of Taya, and a Dark Soul token. Alright, first pack of box number 4. Let's see, Sword Soul Emergence, Aileron, Legendary Ocean, Mayakashi Return, and Vampire's Curse. Alright, let's see, Yatagarasu, Non-Fusion Area, Instant Fusion, and Elder Entity Intis. No, folks, oh, good. Change of Heart. And I'm hoping I can get a bunch of copies of this. Gravekeeper's Trap, Sword Soul Strife, Chaos Hunter, and another Dark Soul token. Alright. Totally Awesome. Exchange of Despair and Hope. Therion Duke Yule. Hero Lives, and Anti-Spell Fragrance. Alright, last box of this display. Sword Soul Moye, Linkage. Ooh, look at that. A misprint or error, printing error of Light Imprisoning Mirror. Instant Fusion. And Reliona the Magistus de Vere. Let's see, Evenly Matched, Keldo, Oh, look at that. A shadowing prisoning mirror. Another air print. Let's put that with the light imprisoning mirror air print. That's pretty neat. That those two opposites, yet they have the same exact printing error. Number 93, Gravekeeper Strap. Okay, printer error DD Savant Kepler, Skystriker Ace Ray, Witchcrafter Heine. Alright, last pack of the display. Alright, Chijiao, Yuka Onna, Gozen Match, printer error, Kagari, and Hajin, the Winged Mayakashi. Alright, I think that's pretty neat. We got Shadow and Light Imprisoning Mirror. Printer error where everything is completely in the wrong position. That's actually really neat though in the process. So, hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.